Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the LEEKOOLUU backup camera off of Amazon. It's got a small monitor, backup camera that mounts above your license plate, and the wiring to run it. I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description, and let's open it up, see what we got. Alright, so in the box you've got the monitor, which has a one wire input and has a mount for the suction cup mount. You've got the camera here, bolts to your plate, monitor, cigarette lighter adapter so that you can plug it right into a cigarette lighter instead of hard wiring it. And then you got your 23.5 foot 4-pin wire and power wire. That is to run from the camera to the monitor, and the power wire to run if you wanted to wire it into your backup reverse lights, so that the camera only functions when the reverse light comes on, the camera will come on. Your suction cup mount, and then some T-taps to tap into your wiring if you're hard wiring it. I'm only going to be doing the cigarette lighter adapter, basically just for the ease of it. Plus I would like to have it where I can turn it on when I want to, instead of just when the truck is in reverse. Like if I'm towing something without getting out and checking the load or whatever, I can have the camera on or whatever. But that's how I'm going to be doing it. And here's your camera here in the package, and now all I've got to do is find how I want to run my wire to the back. So if you're doing the cigarette lighter adapter, it just plugs in there. It has an on-off switch. You go here and it plugs into the wiring harness, and then this is your four-prong adapter that goes to your monitor. And then on the other end of that 23.5 foot wire you have the same type of input, and that goes to your camera. This is a protective lens here. I'm going to leave that on until I get it installed, but just to show it working, turn it on, camera comes on, and there's your camera. It has the grid for the first lights or whatever. I'm trying to do this sitting in a truck. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but you can see how it works there. And once I figure out how I'm going to run the wire, I'll show you it actually working on the truck. If you're enjoying this video or getting anything at all out of it, please hit that thumbs up, like button, and subscribe to the channel for other little DIYs and things like this. I'm going to be installing some LED trailer lights and stuff like that also. Fun little channel. Please take a minute to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, got the wire run. I got the piece on there. It's a suction cup to go on the dash or the windshield or whatever, but I've got mine stuck in this pocket. I'm going to make me a way to get this thing to stay mounted right there. That way I don't have it all up in the windshield. I got to go back in and tuck the wires, but everything is run. What I did was looked underneath the dash here where I could get to, and found a rubber grommet with another wire harness coming through, and I just took a screwdriver and punctured that rubber grommet where I could push the end of this video wire through and pulled it out through the firewall. And then I took it and pretty much just followed that main body harness that goes back to the tail lights and everything. Ran it over the cab mounts and all along the rail. And I'm going to go through and zip tie it. The main thing when running your wire, you want to keep it away from anything that moves and anything that gets hot. So keep it away from the exhaust, the drive shaft, pinch points on the rear end, leaf springs, shocks, whatever you got back there. You want to keep it away from heat and anything that could pinch it and cut it or scrape it, because that will mess up your wire and no more video. And then on the back side, I just came up over the bumper, and there it is bolted, and the head is adjustable. I've got it where I can barely see my hitch to back up to the different trailers that I have. And all I gotta do now is just go under the truck and zip tie it every few feet or whatever to the main body harness so that the wire doesn't move. And that's it. The zip ties I use, I'm just going to use some regular old black ones. Pull them tight but not overly tight, and then just, cut off what's left of the end, make it look neat. I use black just because it blends in. You can use whatever color you want to. It just looks better looking under there and not seeing anything like a bright red or green or yellow standing out where somebody added some wiring to the truck. The main thing with this is you want it to look as clean as possible, and when I get through tucking everything and zip tying it, it'll be done. But it's installed and the camera's working, and I've got mine wired to the cigarette lighter, so it just goes off, comes on. And I did notice that the light for the back for the camera, it comes on like when it senses darkness. I guess to brighten it up. I haven't tested it, it's not nighttime yet, but we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. If y'all got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, help my little channel grow. I really appreciate it. See you next time.